This 2021 Jayco WHITEHAWK 26K is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 32 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 6, TV, external shower, stovetop burner, smoke detector, water heater, leveling jacks, slide-out, air conditioning, LP detector, refrigerator, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco WHITEHAWK 26K is 6,585 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.